Just Blocked includes 5 blocking modes, letting you decide exactly which incoming calls can reach your phone. Open Settings and scroll to Select Mode. These options control the app's main call policy. Separate private number, unknown caller, schedule, and smart policy settings may still apply. Block All Calls is the strictest mode. It rejects every incoming call, regardless of your contacts, blocklist, or allow list, while emergency numbers remain exempt. Blocklist Only is the standard targeted option. Calls matching your saved blocklist rules are rejected, while callers who do not match those rules are allowed. Allowlist Only VIP reverses that logic. Only callers specifically added to your allow list can get through. Everyone else is blocked, including regular contacts that are not approved. Contacts Only, available with Pro, allows saved contacts while blocking unsaved callers. Allow-listed numbers can also pass, and a contact you explicitly block can still be rejected. Allow All Calls disables the main blocking mode and lets incoming calls ring normally. Choose it whenever you want, just Blocked available without automatically rejecting callers. The current blocking engine confirms that emergency numbers are exempt. Block All takes priority over lists. Allow List only rejects anyone not approved, and Contacts only permits saved contacts while still honoring Allow List and Block List rules.